grilled chicken with a citrus honey glaze. So first I want to start you with a spice rub. That's 1, 2, 3 spice rub. And the reason why I call it 1, 2, 3, it's 1 of something, 2 of something, and 3 of something, and it's multi-purpose. So you're going to start with some salt and pepper, but the 1 is 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Then you're going to have 2 tablespoons of hot Hungarian paprika. You know, that's my favorite spice pull from the rack. And then 3 tablespoons of cumin. You mix it all together in a bowl, and that is perfect for so many things. Pork loin, you can rub it on some steak, pork chops, and today I am doing chicken. So I took some leg quarters and I rubbed them all over, got them into the refrigerator to rest for about 6, you could do it overnight, 6 hours to overnight. And then I took them out of the bag, put them onto a tray, and let them air dry in the refrigerator. Get some of that moisture off so the skin is crispy when I get it onto the grill. So they're on the grill right now. It's 350 degrees, and I want to show you what they look like. Take a look at this. And what you want to do now is come in and glaze. And the citrus honey glaze is very simple. It's just a little bit of citrus. So you can do lime, you can do lemon, orange juice, because you know I love some orange juice, honey, and some red chili flake. You're going to whisk it all together and then just come in and glaze your chicken. Now I'm gonna get them onto my tray. Obviously, you know you wanna get this to the right temperature. All right, so the key to juicy chicken is you're gonna put the chicken on the grill room temperature. So when you get it out of the refrigerator, after that long haul to stay dry, you're gonna sit on the countertop for about 2 hours and make sure that it's room temperature before you get it onto the grill. And then the other step that you see right here, when you get it off the grill, you wanna make sure that you tint it. So you let that temperature come up to about 160, 165, and then what's gonna happen is when you chew into it, it's gonna be so much more tender and juicy because you let it rest a little bit. If you just start chewing into your chicken, all those juices are gonna be all over the plate, or maybe your chin. So I've got one that I had resting. Look at that baby. I am gonna go in and just get. It's smoky, it's delicious. Would be great on pork. You've really got to think about whatever protein you can find right now and you want to rub it up. Get onto your spice rack and make this easy 1, 2, 3 rub. Cumin, chili powder, paprika, salt and pepper. It's just as simple as that. All right, I'm going to continue to eat this chicken and cook up the rest of it for my camera person.